Want to create an Amazon wish list for birthday, weddings, or just keep track of cool stuff? In today's video, I will show you how to create your Amazon wish list and share it with others step by step in under 5 minutes. Let's go. Open amazon.com or your local Amazon site, log into your Amazon account, hover over account and lists at the top right, create a list. You can name your list anything like birthday 2025 or gaming gear. Then click create a list. And set the privacy to. Give your list a name. Choose privacy setting like private only you can see it. Click more option, then manage list. For privacy, private only you can see it. Shared, only people with the link can see it. Public, anyone can find it by search. Click create list. From the list page, click the three dots, more, manage list. This is helpful if you are creating a registry or gift guide for others to shop from directly. Find any item you like on Amazon. Instead of clicking buy now, or click add to list. Select the wish list. You create it. Optional tip, use filters and categories to organize items, add quantities, priorities, or notes to each item. You can keep browsing and adding items anytime. Your list will automatically update. Now go to account and list from your dashboard. Then click your list section. Select the list you want to share. Click share icon. Choose how to share: email, Pinterest, Facebook, copy link. Now anyone with the link can view your list and even buy gifts from it. Amazon will update the list automatically to avoid duplicates. You can create multiple lists for different occasions. Check your list setting regularly to update addresses, privacy, and remove old items. Perfect for holidays, birthdays, baby showers, or just organizing your shopping. And that's how to easily create and share an Amazon wish list in 2025 If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more smart Amazon tips, and let me know in the comments if you want a video on how to track prices or set alerts on your list. See you in the next time. Thanks for watching.